Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well from wherever you are. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. I'm back here today with one more beautiful crime style text effect from Hyperpix text effect collections. Like always, if you're familiar with our products, I'm going to show you how to work with one more of our text effects, and I'm going to show you how to insert your text or logo into this excellent metallic chrome text effect with the exact and realistic details which it has. If you pay attention to the corners of the text, you'll see how attractive and excellent your text is going to look on this style. So if you want to download this text effect, just get the VIP membership of hyperpix.net and access this template in hundreds of different styles. So before we get started with editing this style, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So let's get started with editing this fantastic style. To edit, we just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In a window which appears here, easily you can just select your text like this, double click and type your ideal text and text you want, just like this, and do the same with the bottom text. Type my text, here we go. You can even go with just one text, but I'm going to use both. We close, click save and wait till it's applied and see the results. As you see, it looks so excellent and beautiful. As you saw, just with one click it was converted into this style. So you can change the font easily. Don't worry, you're not limited with the fonts. You can use every single font you wish. For example, I'm going to choose this font. Just lessen the characters a bit so it fits in the frame. Bring it in the center and here we go. Click save and see the results. As we see, the style is converted into this font as well. So beautiful and easy. This style is not just limited to one language or one font. You're not just limited to English. You can use every single language, so don't worry about that. Just despite all our other products, this spectacular template just works excellent on text and it doesn't go so good with the logo. So try to use it for your text, like very light or thin fonts and text, so you get the best results out of this beautiful style. So start with editing the rest of the layers right now. So you're going to know everything about this template. These two layers are these two little texts down here which you can just double click and type your ideal text just like this. Here we go. This little text down here which says copyright, you can even remove it and type your favorite text or ideal text. Don't worry, it doesn't mean like it's just for the copyright. You can just remove it and type your ideal text, so don't worry about the copyright laws. So we have the sparkles here, which are these little shiny star-shaped sparkles here. There's not many of them used in this template. You can just minimize them with Control and T. Apply them on the like wide or white parts of your text, so you have a better results and makes it so attractive. So we place them one by one. You can even use the Alt button and with the left click drag them wherever you love to have them and get copies of them and place them in the right place and increase the number of them. Or even if you don't enjoy, just remove them or switch the sparkles folder off so you don't have them here. So the next folder is the style folder, which is the main layers of this template, and I suggest you to ignore it because it contains so many layers and it's very like complicated and difficult. Our designers have worked on it, so it's automatic and just ignore it. So the next folder is the lights folder, which is this pretty light shining from down here. You can just remove it or double click and go with any color you love to have. Every color is in a separate layer. Choose your ideal color and here you go. You can have this style in PNG. Just switch the styles folder on and the others off. So as you see, we have this high quality, excellent transparent, which looks so great and allows you to use it in all different projects, which is a excellent ability. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this template, just go to hyperpix.net, join the VIP account and access this template and hundreds of different styles. We have so many free templates, so you can use them as well, and they're so high quality. So don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell. Bye from another video from Mary.